Unleash the lean mean muscle machine in you with RADBULK, the best alternative to test-alone RAD 140. Experience potent metabolism boost, keep fat levels minimal, and build iron-hard lean muscle. With RADBULK, you enjoy all the benefits of RAD 140 without any side effects. Melt through fat rapidly, build lean muscle simultaneously, and never worry about catabolizing your gains. Soon, you'll fill out your sleeves for all the right reasons. Thanks to reduced recovery times, RADBULK puts your strength and size building on overdrive. Lift harder than ever before, increase your training volume, and reveal natural cuts, vascularity, and striations in your muscles. RADBULK is the perfect natural alternative to test-alone. It delivers extreme strength in workouts and bigger, harder muscles. Mimic the muscle-building benefits of test-alone and get extreme strength. Lean, iron-hard muscles with increased vascularity. Achieve a chiseled, ripped body you can be proud of. RADBULK replicates the anabolic effects of test-alone without any side effects or associated risks. Increase your lean body mass without gaining additional fat. Improve recovery times, promote better pumps, and increase vascularity. Get RADBULK today for rock-hard muscles and unrivaled vascularity. Don't miss out. Enjoy 30% off now.